Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dusty Diesel Technician, man, back with another fun-filled, informative video. Today, we're going to be taking another look at my tool card. Last time I made a video on, I didn't have my half-inch impact on here, my snap-on gun. Now, this gun turned out to be a really good gun, man. Had it for a few months now, and it really hit hard and really pulls off everything that I put it up against it. And I work my tools out. I don't know if y'all know that yet, but I work them out. Good gun so far. And this Milwaukee has been surprisingly good. A little top heavy, unbalanced, but good and powerful. Battery lasts a good while. You could do a real big job with this tool, and it'll give you some long battery life. So yeah, those are some of my newer tools. That's why I'm pointing those things out about those. As you can see, I use mine. It's already dirty as hell. But yeah, that's what I really wanted to point out. I got some new pry bars on here too. My Hyper Tough, USA made, 25-inch pry bars, and I got these mainly for like suspension work, taking out control arms and removing axles. Yeah. And I had to engrave my name in them, because you know, shit have a tendency to grow legs in these shops. I've learned through my experience over the years. So I just engrave all my shit. I keep those 2 wrenches up there for alignments. I didn't have those up there last time. Everything else, I think you guys have seen in the last video. Yeah. Everything else you guys have seen. This is my service card. Yep. Okay, so that's it.